Alright, welcome back to the channel. I'm Viper and I'm back with a quick video about the MetaQuest airplane mode. Listen, I wanted to test this thing on the airline, so hopped on the flight, wanted to let y'all guys know what that experience was like, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. So do all that YouTube stuff, like, subscribe, and let's get into it. Now, first things first, when you get on the plane and you turn your headset on, it's going to pop up and say, do you want to go into airplane mode? Of course, click, right? Then it changes over to that. Now, everything from that point on becomes stationary. It won't move out the way, the menus won't go anywhere. I mean, you can move it, but the airplane won't decide where the screens go. And then now you got this big, gigantic 120-inch or more screen in front of you, watching whatever you want to watch. For me, I downloaded some movies directly to the headset, so I had all my episodes or whatever I needed to watch, just in case the Wi-Fi was kind of iffy. So I had my own stuff on the headset, and I just went into whatever app, used it, and boom, that's it. It worked. Great big picture, and it works great. I was in pass-through mode, had my big 120-inch screen in front of me. I looked to the side, they had that little screen that's on the back of the headset. It's kind of pathetic now. I'm like, man, this is how you travel. Get this, put it on whenever you go somewhere, if you're traveling on a plane, and it also works in the car. Just a side note on that. But anytime you get on the plane and boom, you got your own personal theater. And at one point, I wanted to shut everybody out, so I just took pass-through off, went into full VR mode, and it was like I was on the plane by myself. I had my headphones on, I was watching my shows, and before you know it, flight was over. So this is how you want to travel when you go on the plane. Take your headset, hop on, block everybody out, because you know how it is. You know, you're trying to concentrate on what you're concentrating on, and this person over here, this person over here. You don't need to do that. And also, a tip, your games work too. Any games that really don't need Wi-Fi works. So I was playing a couple of games too. So just to let you guys know, it works. It's great. You guys should try it the next time you hop on a flight, or you're taking a long trip in the car, bring your headset. You know, you can block everybody out or don't block everybody out. Just don't drive with it. That's a no-no. But everything else is perfect. Hey, listen, this is Viper, and thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being a subscriber, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.